What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to talk about the payment function in Excel. So here we have a loan that is an annual note with an annual rate of 7%. It is 5 years long with a payment of $5,000, which it's negative because it's an outflow, and a future value of 0. And here is the present value function. So to walk through how to use it, equals PV, open parentheses. The rate is the rate per period. So because this is annual, it is just going to be the 7%. And PER is a number of periods, again because it's annual, it's going to be just the 5. Payment is a payment amount, which again is negative because it's an outflow. And the next two arguments is they are in brackets, which means that they are optional. So for example, future value, it defaults to being 0 if you just end the function now, but here we can reference it. Also type, it allows you to select if it's going to start at the beginning of the month or at the end of the month, where it defaults to having the payment occur at the end of the month if you leave this blank. I'm just going to leave this argument blank for this example. That's what the present value is. As you can see, if the future value goes negative 100, the present value goes up. 500 goes down 0. Also, as a note, if you want this to be annualized instead, if you want this to be on a monthly basis as opposed to annual basis, what you can do is divide the rate by 12, multiply the number of periods by 12, because then there's one payment occurring every month, and there are 12 payments in a year. And that is assuming that this $5,000 payment amount is occurring every single month. So if you want the payment amount to be on a monthly basis as well, just divide that by 12 as well. This is still $5,000 a year because this was divided by 12, but that's what it would be monthly. So I really hope that y'all found this to be helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Any support is extremely helpful for the channel. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Thank you. Have a great day.